Hi, I'm Nick Regine, the professor of crystal. Welcome to this demonstration using the Crystal Applicator hand tool. Earlier, I took a piece of craft suede and applied some crystal mesh. You can see how this is done on some of the other episodes of Ask the Professor, Learning to Work with Hotfix. We're going to take the Crystal Applicator hand tool and we're going to put in the dies to apply 1/2 of the Swarovski Elements Crystal Snap. What's great about the Crystal Applicator hand tool is that you can actually place on jeans buttons, rivets, rose pins, or the decorative snaps. Applied 1/2 of the snap. Going to change the dies to put the lower part of the snap on. So I'm going to apply the other side of the snap. There we go. We've applied the Swarovski Elements decorative snap. If you'd like more information, please watch our full-length episode on the Crystal Applicator hand tool. Again, I'm Nick Regine, the professor of crystal. We look forward to bringing you new episodes featuring fun, creative, and easy ways to use Swarovski Elements. Remember to visit our website at www.createyourstyle.com, and please share your designs on our Facebook fan page and follow us on Pinterest. We also welcome your postings, comments, and questions.